Good morning, respected teachers and all my friends. We all know that coronavirus has pushed us in a state of immense crisis, but together we will need to fight it and we will need to stop it. And today is my topic on the demerits of online education. We all know that online education have emerged as the only solution for education during lockdown, and there are many cons related to it, and this can be minimized with a little care. And one of the biggest problem of online education is the network issues. It has been seen that students struggle a lot to connect to the session due to network problems, and many times teachers are not visible and audible, and much more. And one of the another major concern is the continuously use of mobiles and laptops for 5 to 6 hours, and this is not beneficial for students and will cause health issues. And lack one-to-one teaching means this lack the proper communication between teachers and students. And this online education requires self-discipline because teachers are not able to monitor the students in the same way as offline classes. So students required to be disciplined, and proper care should be taken to minimize the cons of online education. Thank you.
In this video, we will discuss about demerits of online education. So, as you know that due to this coronavirus, we all are locked in our home and feeling bored at home. Some people are improving their skills and improving themselves, and children are studying from home through online education. And you will also know that every coin has two aspects. In the same way, it is also two aspects of online education. It is obvious that if there is quality, then there will be demerit. So in this current situation, online education is the only way to study at home, and the biggest problem in this is the network issues. Because of this network issue, the studies are not done properly. Sometimes the student was not able to hear the teacher's voice, and sometimes teacher was not able to hear the student's voice. And even this thing, the teacher also know that there is a huge difference between online studies and offline studies. The second demerit is that because of this online education, children sit with their phones for hours, due to which their eyes are also damaged. One thing in this online education is that sometimes the children can't understand anything and everything goes over them. So that's all for today, guys. Till then, bye bye. Stay home, stay safe.
Good afternoon to one and all. Myself, Thakkar Vishakha. Today I stand before you to talk about Corona warriors. Those who people serve selflessly in difficult times are called Corona warriors. Today, the whole world is facing an epidemic like coronavirus. The World Health Organization (WHO) has declared the coronavirus an epidemic. Coronavirus is also known as COVID-19. Corona infection is spreading rapidly worldwide. Millions of people have lost their lives due to this coronavirus, and thousands of people are still dying every day. But so far, no country has succeeded in making medicine to prevent epidemic coronavirus. The Department of Health believes that care and awareness can prevent epidemic like corona infection. Today, the real heroes of the entire world is Corona warriors, who is protecting people from being corona affected. Doctors, police, cleaners around the world, including India, are putting themselves at risk to prevent the spread of corona infection and treat corona infected people as soon as possible. The Corona warriors are working day and night to eradicate the epidemic. Corona warriors stay away from the family members even after finishing their duties. There are many Corona warriors who are unable to go their homes even after completing the work. And night and day they are treating them and delivering food to the poor. Corona warriors have sacrificed their lives while performing their duty. We should honor all those Corona warriors who are serving people by risking their lives in time of crisis. Even citizen of the countries greets them with heartfelt gratitude. Thank you.
Hello guys, my name is Darjay Rudra. I am from 9th B. Today's my topic is Corona warriors. Without wasting your time, let's get started. A community health workers who is helping to fight the pandemic are called Corona warriors. The World Health Organization (WHO) has declared the coronavirus an epidemic. Coronavirus is also known as COVID-19. Its infection is spreading worldwide. Millions of people have lost their lives due to this COVID-19. There is no medicine, no vaccination, available for coronavirus. Today, the real hero of the entire world is the corona warriors. Doctor, police, cleaners around the world, including India, are putting themselves at risk to prevent the spread of corona infection and treat corona infected people as soon as possible. We should honor all those corona warriors who are serving people risk their life in this critical situation. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.
Friends, my name is Anchas Roy and my topic is Corona Warriors. India salute its heroic Corona Warriors. I assume you that the Modi government and the entire country stand beside to you. We have to free the nation from coronavirus by turning challenges into opportunity and set off an example for the world by creating a healthy, prosperous and strong India. Thank you. Jai Hind.
My name is Darjidev Chirag Bai. I am from 9th B. My topic is Corona Warrior. India to instate a host of events to cheer up Corona Warriors, who are basically frontline workers like doctors, nurses, sanitation workers, etc. During the current series, it is the doctors, nurse, policemen, media, sanitation worker, delivery person, bank employees, government employees and local store owners who had put their life on the line to ensure that we have a nation to promote the care of elderly, said Army Pro Colin Ahmed Adam. Thank you, stay home, stay safe.
Good evening to all my respected teachers. Myself Aheli Putta, student of 11th Science. Today I will talk about effect of corona on human life. As we all know that coronavirus has affected our day-to-day life and is slowing down to the global economy. This pandemic has affected thousands of people who are either sick or been killed due to spread of this disease. So we have to take many precautions such as regularly washing of our hands, avoidance of face-to-face interaction, wearing of mask, maintaining social distancing, etc. COVID-19 has rapidly affected our day-to-day life, business, disrupted the world trade and movement. There are so many workers and students who are still stuck and are unable to meet their loved one because of COVID-19. Thank you.
Hi, let me introduce myself. My name is Manakulika from Standard 9B. Today I get some golden opportunity to say something about corona effect on environments. As you know, corona takes us to do what? First, to take this pandemic as very serious. Second, to take this pandemic as a little bit smartly. So let us take it smartly. Let us take it smartly to our mother nature. All the rivers are cleaning automatically, plus pollution level is minimizing or decreasing at a global level. Isn't it fantastic? But Mother Nature is also informing us